Hi guys, Michelle here. Welcome to our 10-minute cool down. So I designed this video to be used after any of the other 10-minute videos or any of your workouts. Make sure you save this video to your watch later list so you have access to this anytime you want to do a cool down. Welcome to our 10-minute cool down. As you can see, we have a surprise guest, Sophia. Hi, yep. I don't know if she'll stay the whole time, but either way, she's probably already leaving. All right, so this video is just to really relax, focus on our deep breathing. Just let your heart rate come down after any workout. So this is something that you can do every single day or every other day or anytime you work out. So our first exercise is we're going to take one leg, we're going to stretch out one, take the other, and cross it over. Take the opposite elbow and press in. And you're going to really feel a stretch right in the glutes. So we're going to do this for a minute, 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other. And throughout this whole workout, you are able to go at your own pace. If you feel like something needs a little more stretching, you need to take a little more time, please feel free. Do what feels right for your body. Throughout these exercises, if you want to close your eyes and just really deep breaths in and deep breaths out, that is a good way just to really let your body cool down. And we're switching legs. Same thing, deep breaths in, deep breaths out. Really press on your knee with your elbow to really give that stretch in your glutes. Another good way to cool down is to play some relaxing music and just really focus on your breathing. So I want you to come into a pretzel, a butterfly kind of stance. And I really just want you to roll your head back and forth, back and forth. Switch directions as you please. I kind of just do what feels right for my body. But we really just want to give our neck and our head just like a nice little stretch. Deep breaths in and out. Really close your eyes. Let that heart rate come down. And we're resting, and we're gonna go into a cat-cow. So what I want you to do is get on your hands and knees. And so what I want is just really big stretch in your back, and you're coming up and squeezing your core. And you're doing this at your own pace. Inhale, exhale as you bring your core tight and you round your back. Deep breaths in and out. Deep breaths in and out. Really try to get more of a stretch every single time. And I want you to rest. I want you to sit back in kind of that butterfly or pretzel. And I want you to take one arm. I want you to bend it all the way back. Take the other one and press on that elbow. Give yourself a nice tricep stretch. This will also help your shoulders. You should be feeling it right in here. We're going to do 30 seconds on this side and switch, and 30 seconds on the other side. Deep breaths. We're almost there. And we are relaxing. And for our last one, we're going to be on our back. We're going to bring our legs up and just really give ourselves like a nice hug. You should really feel a stretch in your glutes, your lower body, lower back. And we're just going to sit here just for a little. This is a good time to just close your eyes. Deep breaths in and deep breaths out. Really just let your body relax. Deep breaths in and deep breaths out. You guys are doing great. We're coming up to the last 5 seconds. And rest and come back, sit back up. And now we're gonna go through all the exercises again. Stretch one leg out, push that elbow in, feel that glute stretch. Same thing, always just deep breaths in, deep breaths out. Go at your own pace too, so if you want to stretch a little more, please feel free. Really feel that stretch in the glutes. Hopefully by now our heart rate is really just decreasing. We're relaxing as much as we can. We're getting our water in. All right, and back into the butterfly and roll your head around. Give your neck a nice stretch. For this exercise, I definitely like to close my eyes and really just relax. A lot of us really carry stress in our necks, in our traps. So take this time to really just stretch. And if you want to keep your head on one side for a little or the other, by all means, if you want to hang your head and keep your head up, whatever feels comfortable to you and wherever you are the most tight. All right, and now we're going to get on our hands and knees and we are going to do our cat-cow. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Really try to get deeper as we do each one. Get a better stretch every single time we go from a cat to a cow. Deep breaths in and out. In and out. Keep that core tight as we go in and round our back. And rest and come back into that pretzel. One arm up and stretch. Deep breaths in and out. You should feel the stretch right up in here. Might feel a little stretch in your shoulder as well. And we are switching arms for the last 30 seconds. Deep deep breaths in and out. We're almost through this 10-minute cool down. We got one more stretch to go right after this. And we are going right back on our back for our last stretch. And we are hugging ourselves. Take this last minute to really relax. Let that heart rate finally go back to normal. And say that if we're not working out today, even if we just do this, if you don't want to work out and you just want to do a cool down or a warm up, this is also a great video to do every day. Regardless of if you have a full body workout, an upper body, lower body, these exercises are really important to make sure that we're not injuring ourselves. And we are all done. Let your legs get all the way to the ground. Take one last deep breath in and up, out, and sit up. And thank you guys so much for joining. I can't wait to see you next time. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and download our Yoga Plus app.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.